my God! Is there certain buttons you press?
No, just punch them.
Okay. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, with the match ending
walk
in
to
the
the side.
third round,
To your right.
your
You
winner
gotta walk
by
to your right.
technical
You're on the wrong
knockout,
side of the ref.
the red corner.
You won.
Can I hug him?
Yeah.
He's so little. What do I
You gotta go
do?
over there and hit exit to your right. You gotta walk to your right.
Ah, I see
All the way to
now
your
I see
right.
the red. No, I'm saying I
Okay.
see the red.
Yeah, it means you can hit my TV.
What am I facing now?
The TV. You're really close to TV. Next fighter.
Ugly Joe. Do you want to go? You sure? What are you doing?
I'm only going to tell you two things.
Huh?
Protect yourself at all times and obey what I say at all times. Let's make this a clean fight.
He really is ugly. Oh, fuck. How did they get me so good? Oh, fuck. Oh my God, I'm gonna drop this. Oh gosh. I thought they stopped it.
You can't stop it. Get back in your corner.
Huh? Oh my God. He's the last guy I'm fighting?
I mean, there's more people. You can keep going.
I mean, how long have I been fighting?
I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes now?
That's it? You ever lost a fight?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Sorry. gosh.
Got him.
Stay. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, your turn.
Ladies and gentlemen, with the match ending in the second round, your winner by technical knockout,
You win. Celebrate.
the red corner.
Gotta celebrate. You won.
Huh? Okay. Where do I go now?
You gotta go where it says exit to the right.